Conbola sent us this bladeless, oscillating tower fan with a light to review. We are going to review this in different situations and show you just how convenient this lightweight fan is. This rechargeable fan comes with its very own USB cord that you can plug into any USB charging outlet. The fan can be operated while it is in charging mode. It has 3 different settings, 1 being the lowest and 3 the highest. The second button offers an oscillating feature that allows the fan to turn from left to right. This helps to push the breeze around the room rather than isolating it to one particular direction. This can also help with circulating heat or air conditioning, depending on the season, of course. There is also a timer feature, so when you push this button, you get 1 hour, 2 hours, or 4 hours of operating time before the fan will shut down. It's also equipped with a nightlight, so when you push this final button right here, you get a brightish light, a dimish light, or you can turn it off completely. The bladeless design makes this fan perfect to use around your pets or your children. There's no blades to cause injury. With the fan being rechargeable, it allows for the perfect amount of portability. You can take this fan just about anywhere. It's perfect to use outside, and it's powerful enough to give you a breeze even on a hot summer day. The stylish, sleek, and narrow design of the fan makes it perfect to use on a tabletop. Use it in your office, your craft room. It can be used at your computer gaming desk. It's suitable for pretty much any room in your home. The removable non-slip base makes this fan perfect for just about any surface, whether you're indoors or outside. On a full charge running on the highest speed without the light or oscillation on, this fan ran for 6 full hours. The oscillation feature on the lowest setting does cause a bit of vibration, but overall we are extremely happy with this Conbola fan, and we definitely recommend it. We think it's going to be a great addition to our camping adventures. We're going to drop a link down below and you can go over and check out this fan yourself. Being so portable, you'll only need one, but go ahead and grab a second one. Give it as a gift. Thanks for watching. You know what? We'll see you on the next one.